Hey guys, so this video is going to be my first ever declutter. I don't have a ton of makeup, but I think I have enough where I can get rid of some of the stuff that I have, especially since I'm moving in less than 2 weeks. Now is as good a time as ever to, you know, downsize a little bit so that packing is a little bit easier, I guess, and unpacking and organizing when I get to my new house. So, alright, just so you guys know, all the stuff that I'm not keeping, as long as, if I'm not throwing it out because it's expired or like gross or something, obviously I'll throw it out, but if I'm not keeping it, but it doesn't need to be thrown out, I'm going to give it to family members because I have some that I know will love it and use it, so it'll be well loved and not wasted, in case you're wondering what I'm doing with all that makeup. And then the stuff that I'm keeping, I'm just keeping, and that's that. So I'm not going to talk through it because I feel like that would be boring and just unnecessary. I'm going to play music. It'll probably be sped up so it's not like a really long video. I guess we're going to jump right in and out of the declutter. Enjoy!
But
Alright guys, so this is everything that I am getting rid of. I'll be passing all of this stuff on so someone else can use it. Okay, hey guys. So I don't know if you noticed, but towards the end of the declutter, I found 3 pop sockets from Jeffree Star. Obviously, I don't need 3 pop sockets. I'm saving some of them because I'm getting a new phone soon, but I don't need 3. So I threw one into the giveaway that I just filmed beforehand. So if you know about that giveaway, that'll be over there. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope it was somewhat satisfying. I don't know, I know it was tiny, but I think I did a pretty good job. So thanks. Yeah, I guess that's it. So have a good day. Bye.